Hey guys, what's up? Hi. Yes, what's up, guys? It's me, Anushka, and I'm live. Hey, Zainab Treasure. Hi. Hey, Zainab. Hi. How are you? How are you? Hi. Hi, Kushi. What's up? Hey, guys. Hi, Ayush. Hi, everyone. So thank you firstly for so much love to my new promo. इतना प्यार आपने दिया है रानी को already. I just can't wait for y'all to see the second promo and also our show, of course. But our show is gonna come like in a month or something. So till then, our promo is gonna come. Some BTS is gonna come, and yeah, stuff like that. And I'm just really excited for y'all to see and what like reaction is gonna be. Hi, baby Ekta here. Was missing you, so Sakina helped me. Hey, Ekta, what's up? I love this look. Thank you. Even me, I'm kind of feeling myself today. Oh my god. Some lit edits gonna come. Yeah. Wow. So we crossed 16k viewers. That was epic. That was epic. Thank you. And also I want to say, all my fans, thank you for being so supportive in every way. I saw you guys are like doing so much for me, and I was so happy. Thank you for all the edits. Thank you for everything you guys are doing, and just really means a lot to me. Thank you, Israr. Thank you. Love your lipstick. Thank you. It's from Renee, and y'all know I don't do red lipstick that much, but then today was the day. Sometimes my mom says hi, by the way. She's like waving at me, so I oh my god. But actually thank you. मतलब सही में रानी इतना अलग कैरेक्टर है. इवन फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर आई एम सेइंग इट्स इतना अलग है एंड इतना एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए है. मतलब बिकॉज इट्स टोटली देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंसेस एक्चुअली. लाइक जितना मैं दिन के दिन आई एम रीडिंग माई स्क्रिप्ट्स एंड गेटिंग टू नो अबाउट द कैरेक्टर इवन मोर, मुझे ये पता चल रहा है कि अनुष्का एंड रानी आर सम वेज इन पर्सनैलिटी वाइज प्रॉब्ली सम थिंग्स मिलते हैं उनके. जैसे वो भी दिल से बात करती है एंड रानी ऑल्सो दिल से बात करती है. एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर लाइक रियल. दे डोंट have any mask on or anything, you know what I mean. तो जो भी दिल में रहता है वो बोल देते हैं. एंड बट जो डिफरेंसेस हैं जिसके लिए मुझे एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर मैं कर रही हूँ, इट्स एज यू कैन सी इन द प्रोमो इटसेल्फ कि मतलब द एक्सेंट, और वो यूपी से है, मस्त बलिया से है. सो शी इज फ्रॉम बलिया, राइट, यूपी. एंड I'm just preparing and how to just switch, not speak basic Hindi and all that. So वो सब चल रहा है अभी. prepare कर रही हूँ मैं and practice कर रही हूँ and how to do it and all, and exploring even more that what else we can do, something which I have not seen before. So झांसी की रानी was a very good character जो मैंने play किया था, but this is like totally different and I've never played this before. Even the look is different, which is not in the promo. That's there's a hint of it, but then there are a lot of features which you don't know about. And for everything, like आपको अगर पूरा पता चलना, मतलब पता करना है कि रानी कैसी है, क्या करती है, क्या पहनती है, क्या बोलती है, whatever, you have to see the show. I mean, so I'm very excited about that. And but thank you, इतना आपने प्रोमो को प्यार दिया. एंड प्रोमो इज रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी. हमने शूट किया पूरे सेफ्टी एंड प्रिकॉशंस के साथ, ऑफ कोर्स. But the new team, new cast members, new crew, they are very nice and I'm having good fun. Yeah, man, I mean, I'm an actor, so this is what I do. And something which challenges me just basically is what I live for. I mean, if it doesn't challenge me, then it's no point. So this role challenges me in so many ways and it's fun. I mean, I just missed being on set. Hey Vishal, what's up? क्या चल रहा है? So yeah, man, this new show is just that's what I'm doing the entire time. The entire week I've been busy doing that, preparing for it, and having script readings and workshops and blah blah. But I'm very excited, honestly. I mean, I can't wait कि आप सब देखें उसको और रानी को प्यार दे अपना. So yeah, 20th October, it's gonna be Monday to Saturday, which is good because you don't have to wait for 2 days, you have to just wait for 1 day to see it again. So Monday to Saturday on Z from October 20. And yeah, that's all, man. I mean, so you guys tell me what's up, kya chal raha hai, what's going on in your lives. I mean, we can't wait. I love all the edits, guys. I mean, kitna aap log talented, oh my god. Why are you not checking my DM? So this I'll reply. So see, as I told you, I'm very busy in my script readings and workshop, but I'm replying to groups only right now. I'm focusing on that. I mean, trying to be as active as possible, but only on groups. How gorgeous you look. Dang, thank you, Anushka. It will be a blockbuster. Thank you so much. Online classes, wow, all the best for that. All the best. Khushi. Some names I'm gonna take. Hi Ekta, hi Sonia, hi Rabi, hi Shiza, hi Harshita. I'm eating ice cream, which you don't love. Guess what is it? I don't know. I mean, it's not that I don't like ice cream. I just don't have it because it's just I'm always scared it's gonna spoil my throat and stuff. So. Can you say hi, Jeet Patel? Hi, Jeet Patel, who made 1 lakh score. I don't know how you guys are doing that. I mean, कैसे करते हो? मेरे को सिखाओ यार. मेरे से नहीं होता है. Your outfits are really cool. Thank you. Niharika, I've not heard before. It's really cool, yeah. Do watch the Shadowhunters. Sure, I'll watch. School's gonna reopen from 23rd. Wow. Even in the COVID situation, how's that going on for you? See, I'm trying to add people. होता नहीं है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. क्यों? Why are you doing this to me, Insta? I'm trying to add Nyonika, which is not happening. Sorry, Nyonika, I couldn't add you. Warning. Blessed to have you. Thank you, Ayusha. Thank you so much. You live in Pakistan. यहाँ पर तो खुल रहा है. अच्छा, wow, yeah. Good, yeah, Zainab. You like my eyes today? Thanks. Thank you. Hi, Zainab. I can't hear you.
Hey Anushka, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can't see you though. You're not allowed to show your face or something?
I'm not looking good right now.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I know you're looking good. I'm sure. See, you're looking so good. You're looking so good. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Thank you.
So natural, so nice and good. I really like your account, Zainab.
Thank you so much. You mean a lot to me. I'm literally shivering right now.
Oh, no need to do that. And you're looking actually really sweet.
Thank you. Anushka, will you come Pakistan after coronavirus?
Actually after coronavirus, there's a long list of places I have to visit, but I will, once this COVID is over, I will visit those places for sure. And I would love to meet you.
There are so many Anushkians from Pakistan.
Yeah? Oh, how sweet. I would love to meet you guys. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zainab, and take care of yourself.
Thank you.
I really like your edits and really like your account. So thank you. Thank you for that.
No problem.
Thank you, Zanab. Thank you for joining. Take care.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye. How sweet. So good she was looking. Looking actually very good, Zanab. Finally, I can add people. Thank God. Why is it 20th October today? Hi, Roshni. What's up? What's up? Where are you, Roshni? Where are you? So pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Roshni. Somebody got new hair and all done. Pretty cool, yeah. नजर ना लगे. Oh, oh. थैंक यू. नहीं लगेगी. इतने अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त हैं मेरे. इतने सारे लोग हैं जो मेरे लिए इतना अच्छा अच्छा सोचते हैं. अच्छा, इतने अच्छे दोस्त हो सब लोग. कैसे लगेगी नजर, मेरे को बताओ. Oh, 17K viewers, man. Damn. Cool, yeah. I'm literally crying. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Zena, for joining. Hi, hi, Vedant. I'm gonna take some name. Mysterious Anushka 31. I wanna know why mysterious. Hi. How are you? Long time. Glossy. I don't know why I like calling you Glossy. I know what your name is, but I really like it. And you know, I call it my only K drama friend. You have to go to Korea, no? I mean, like, you know, actually, guys, पता है क्या होता था पहले? I used to be like कि नहीं, I don't want to watch K drama. I mean, you know, but that was mom's phone. Okay. Also, sorry for being so weird. You're not. No, I'm not shooting today. I'm not actually shooting right now. We're gonna start shooting this week. All script readings are going on. Workshop is going on. But today is a day off. Yesterday I was there, but today aaj chutti hai. So yeah, at home. Please say my name. Hi, Soumya. Where is Sindra? Sindra is probably in that room. Let's see.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I can't see you.
Yeah.
Hi,
Hi, Anushka. What's up?
how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. All's well. Everything's good.
Yeah. So, congratulations for Apna Time Bhi Aayega. I'm gonna watch it for sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot.
Okay. So, what's up? How's you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. You know, preparation is still going on, and I can't wait for the shoot to start and the show to actually come so that you guys can watch it.
So, thank you so much, Anushka, for being so supportive towards your Anushkins, and we are also grateful to have you. Couldn't have asked for a better idol.
My God, and I couldn't have asked for a better Anushkin's, you know, team because you guys are so supportive and you guys are like my major motivation. So, you know, all your edits and everything. Whenever I do a new role or whenever I come up with a new project and everyone's support is right there and it really, you know, hypes me up. So, thank you for that.
Okay.
Thank you, Ekta, and I really like your account. You know, I have seen your page, and it really, you know, makes me happy. Thank you so much.
Means the whole world to me. Thank you so much. Love you, Anushka.
Thank you. Lots of love back to you. Take care,
And take
Ekta.
yourself while shooting.
Oh,
Take
thank
all
you.
this.
Thank you so much. Everyone's wishes are with me, all my Anushkins, so I'm gonna be all right.
Yes, we are all with you. Okay.
Thank you, Ekta. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. Hey, aesthetic Anushka. What's up, Juhi? What's up? Sumit Minen. What's up, Pandya? क्या हाल है? What's up, Pandya ji? Anushka, was you never in the same situation as Rani because you never had a godfather, you know? Yeah, there's a lot of no, like Rani also doesn't have a godfather or something, but you know, she also has like dreams, and she also also she will have like some struggles and you know some barriers and everything. So like उसकी journey में क्या क्या होता है, and you know how she is, you know, fearlessly she goes on, and you know she wants what you know she dreams. So that is there. Yeah, there's some differences, like you know she's from UP Balia, and you know she lives with her grandparents and then something like that. So it's a whole journey, of course. So yeah, I'm pretty interested. I'm very excited because see, being Anushka, I've always been, you know, most of my life I've been in Mumbai. Most of my life I'm like 18, but in 18 years, most of the time I've been in Mumbai. 14 years. 14 साल से I've been in Mumbai. फिर you know, every role is so different. So it's really interesting. I love your Game of Fame. Thank you. And I've been seeing her week सबका मतलब you know Star was the last winner. So and you know I am seeing everyone's score is like going up and up and up. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है इतना. I can't reach that much. I don't know why. And I'm very competitive that way. Looking sharp. Thanks, Pandya. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sharp. I'm feeling black today, and you see, like, I'm having a black zipper, black. My hair has gone back to brown, which I am having no complaints with, by the way. Yeah, that's the stuff that's going on. Black is like black. I mean, come on. And even my watch, can you see? Really like it. I mean, I'm going to stand up and go there. See, can you see this? Wow, bro, holy shit, really like it. It's my dad's choice. He's really good with these kind of stuff. I swear. I must say your game is the best. Thank you so much. Keep playing it, and also you know, all the people who don't know about it, it's called Game of Fame. It's my game, and if you want to download it, iOS link is in my bio. If you want, I'll someday put like the Android link as well, so you can, if for now if you don't see the link, all you have to do is go to your Play Store and then search for Game of Fame, and then download करके you can play. और the best part is कि उसमें Fame board है, तो आप log in करके जब खेलते हैं, मतलब when you sign up and play. So what happens is that ये होता है कि दिखता है Fame board पे. So I can also see, and if you are number one, you get a shout out from me. Go Anushka, what's up? भावेश, क्या हाल है तुम्हारा? कैसे हो तुम भावेश बालचंदानी? My exams are coming soon. Wish me all the best. Hope you do really good in your exams. You literally look good with any hair color. See, that's why, no, you guys like hype me up, मतलब अलग level पे. Like, अपना time भी आएगा. Yes, भावेश. तुम्हारा time भी आएगा. अपना टाइम भी आएगा, सबका टाइम भी आएगा, अपना टाइम भी आएगा. अपना टाइम मतलब आएगा ब्रो, क्यों नहीं आएगा? अपना टाइम भी आएगा. आई एम सेइंग दिस सो मच इन माय लाइफ अभी, मतलब इतना मैं बोल रही हूँ अपना टाइम भी आएगा. not only because I'm promoting or anything, I'm saying it because that sentence like so dope. I mean, Hindi from your mouth feels like God's own language. Yo, can you read my comments? It's me, Zakia. Yes, yes. Oh, hi, Sakina. What's up? Did I hear game? Yes, Amay. Game. So, guys, Game of Fame. Do you like my account? Yes, I do. I really like your account. Okay, let's add somebody. You're looking very beautiful. Thank you. Hi, Sneh. Hi, Vidhi. Hi, Vidhi. What's up? No, Vaishu, I'm not ignoring you. I couldn't see your comment. Hi. I can't see
Hi,
you.
Anushka.
I can see your hand. Hi, I can't see you. What? I can't see. I think there's some net issue or something. I don't know. Whoa. Didn't happen. Sorry. Anushka, what about all the complaints about you rising the temperature? Good one. Hi babe, how have you been? Congratulations on Apna Time Bhi Aayega, and Aina as well. Sorry I haven't been active, busy with life. Oh, thank you so much, Sakina. Thank you. And no, it's all right. I hope you are doing good.